Hey guys, welcome to a new YouTube video where I'll be going over my trading journal and evaluate my performance over this last 4 months since I switched from scalping to swing trading. So this is gonna be a raw video, no editing at all, really straight to the point, just sharing with you guys as transparent as possible my whole process. So you guys already know I'm not profitable yet. So that's why I think it's really important to just share with you guys my overall performance, share with you my good months, my bad months, and overall just keep improving with you guys. So this is my trading journal, right? As we can see, this is the general input. So we can see the overall statistics or the overall data analytics. So we can see since I started doing swing trading, I started in July. That's why there's no January, February, March. It just literally started on July. Right now I'm minus 9%. So I'm definitely not in profit. But that's why it's so important to journal, because this way we evaluate our performance and just see what we're doing wrong or what we're doing good. Because not always when we lose, we're doing things wrong. Maybe it's just probability. So that's why it's really important to journal every single trade. So this is the main thing here. So we can see I'm doing everything with a 1% risk, considering that this is a 100K starting balance. This is not my money. It's just how I put it here to make things more simple to track. And my overall winning ratio right now, it's 45%, or my win rate, right? With 18 losses and total wins. The thing is that here, my data considers a break even as a win as well. So honestly, this is gonna be way lower, because we can see that in around how many trades? 33 trades, I've won only 3 times. So this is of course not right, but yeah, that's basically what it is. Average stop loss, I always take 1% risk, and then I target a 1, 2, 3. So that's my overall. My maximum drawdown has been minus 12%, and like I said, my risk per position is always 1%. So if I was actually having a real account with 100K, I've been the moment will be in minus 9K or minus 9%, right? But yeah, let's basically do a month-to-month analysis. So on July, we end up in minus 2% or minus 2R. Honestly, I don't measure things in percentages, because at the end, percentages can be a little bit messy, or they could be misunderstood. So for example, if a guy tells you that he did, 20% per month, you might say oh, this guy is crazy, he actually did 20R, but that's not the case. Measuring things in R or in percentages is way different. So R is just actually how I like to measure it, and percentages is just how much you earn based on how much you risked. So I could literally do 20% per month by risking 10% per trade and just get a 1 to 2R, right? So that's why I prefer just measuring R instead of percentages. So you will be seeing a lot the total R data. So in July, I did minus 2R, right? It was a negative month. For example, if we see every single trade fitted our plan, so that's nice. And we can even go and see the charts and everything. We can see that there was a liquidity sweep, a break of structure. It was really, really nice. Very, very clear. So yeah, overall it was a nice trade. Then if we go August, we had a break-even month, so 0. We took we took 12 trades, right? And the thing that it's important to mention here is that 3 of those trades, one of those was a TP. 3 trades that lost didn't follow my plan. So for example, if we see here, what happened here? Okay, in this type of case, it was kind of range bounding, and it wasn't really clear the direction. It was really long as well. So that's also why. And we can even see this setup. Let's see, for example, in this case, this setup fits the plan, but there's equal high in the protected high. There's no clear fair value gap, so that we can understand the reasons. Also, for example, this one, if we see it, we can see that there was no liquidity sweep in this case. So that's one of the reasons why it was not valid. So it didn't fit my plan. So that's some things that I just write it there. I just put if it fits our plan or not, and then I make some conclusions based on that. And on September, we can see that we had a -4R month, so it was not the best month. We basically took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and of those 6 trades, 4 were losing trades, but every single trade fitted our plan, so that's good. For example, let's see this loss, right? Really nice, liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, all rules are in place, so it was a valid loss. Then we go to October, the last month. This was a -3R. Honestly, at the beginning of the week, I perfectly remember that I was really feeling that I needed to trade. So I took a lot of trades just in 1 week. We can see that I literally took 5 trades, 1, 2, 3, yeah, like 5 trades in just 1 week. And I had a losing streak of 5 losing trades in a row, which was kind of tough to my mentality. Next week, it was, instead of losing, it was a 5 break-even streak. And then after all that bad time, we had a losing trade, and then we had a winning trade. So it was kind of like a tough month, I'm not gonna lie. We only had 1 trade that didn't fit our plan, which was this one. And if we can see, this was definitely a bad trade. I don't trade in range bound scenarios, and we can see that price was completely ranging. So it was not the best trade at all. And the last one, it was a TP. It was a nice short position on GU, which was nice, following our plan, liquidity sweep, break of structure, and fair value gap. So it was basically everything. We're just now on November. I just took a trade on gold. This is the trade right here. So yeah, we're already risk-free. So the worst case scenario is gonna be a break even. And what else? Yeah, now let's analyze like 2024 total R per month. So we can see the first month I didn't trade. I started on July with a -2. Then on August we had a 0. Then on September we had a -4R, and then in October a -3R. So those are basically the analytics for this month. And we're, like I said, on an overall -9% since I've started doing swing trading. So that's basically all for this analysis of this overall month and since I started doing swing trading. And I hope you guys like this video, and see you guys in the next one.